Today's lecture is about essay writing. Students, it is your introductory lecture. For next of the essays, you will have to follow this lecture. So listen this lecture carefully. First of all, look what is an essay. In dictionary, the word essay is defined as a literary composition on any subject. So in simple words, an essay is a written composition that expresses personal opinions or gives information on any given subject or details of a narrative or description. Let's see what are the characteristics of essay writing. A good essay must contain the following characteristics: unity, order, brevity, style, and personal touch. Your essay must be right in unity. All ideas must be combined. It must be written in orderly manner. Your essay must not be too long. It should be right concisely. The style of your essay must be simple and clear. Your essay must show personal touch. So these are the characteristics of essay writing. So you should follow these characteristics while writing your essay. Essays like sandwiches or burgers are divided into different layers. In this picture you can see a burger. The top one of this burger stands for introduction. The bottom one stands for conclusion. And in between these buns you can see different layers. These layers stands for body. In an essay there can be one paragraph or more than one paragraph in body. So by this example, I hope you will understand the basic parts of an essay and the order of these parts. Now see the parts of an essay in detail. Introduction is the first paragraph of your essay. It consists of a few interesting sentences that catches the interest of your reader. So in your essay, the introduction must include the lines that catches the interest of the readers. It can be a quote and any other interesting sentence. An introduction must have one sentence that gives main idea of your essay. The body of your essay consists of one or more paragraphs. Each paragraph supports the main idea of your essay. The conclusion paragraph is the last paragraph in the essay. The conclusion can also include an opinion, a prediction, or a solution to a problem. So these are the parts of an essay and their details. Do remember these. The last step after writing an essay is proofreading. A good writer always proofreads his or her essay. Proofreading deals with recognizing and correcting errors or punctuation, capitalization, spelling, and grammar. So after writing your essay, you should also proofread your essay and do remember to recognize these following things. Our today's topic is my best teacher. So in introductory paragraph we will write this sentence. Teaching is a noble profession. Parents give us birth, but teachers make us real human beings. There are many teachers in my school. All of them are able and hardworking. But my best teacher is Miss. You can write the name of your best teacher in this blank. She is highly educated. She is very intelligent and able. She teaches us Whatever subject your favorite teacher teaches you, you can write here. Her method of teaching is very good. She is kind to us. She comes to class in time. Her lessons are full of interest. She is active and smart. She is well dressed and smiles sweetly. She behaves politely. She is a role model for the students. All the teachers and students respect and love her. May Allah bless her with success, health, wealth, and a happy life. Amin. This essay is written about a female teacher. If your best teacher is a male teacher, then you should follow this one. Here you can see the pronoun he is used. So follow this. Now see difficult words. First word is noble. There are two syllables in noble. N-O, no, B-L-E, bel, noble, azim. Profession. P-R-O, pro, F-E-S, fes, S-I-O-N, शन, profession, पेशा. Educated. E-D-H-U-C-A-K-T-E-D, ted, educated. Intelligent. I-N-T-E-L, tel, L-I-L, G-E-N-T, gent, intelligent. Zahin. Educated mean तालीम याफ्ता and profession mean पेशा. Next word is interest. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T, trust. Interest, दिलचस्प. Politely. P-O-L-I-T-E, light, L-Y, ली, politely, शाइस्तगी से. Next word and the last word is success. S-U-C, suck, C-E-S-S, success, कामयाबी. Students, make your habit to learn the spelling of the words in syllables. While learning the spellings in syllables, it will never make you to forget. So make your habit to learn the spellings of the words in syllables.